Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll explore whether it's possible to change an Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your phone and navigate to your story, which is currently set to close friends. If you tap on more, you'll find various options, but there is no direct setting to change the story from close friends to everyone. However, there is a workaround. You need to upload a new story and select the option to share it with everyone instead of close friends. If you've already deleted the original story, you can download the photo or video from your Instagram storage settings. After saving it, go to your story settings, select the downloaded story, and tap on your story instead of close friends. This way, your story will be shared with everyone. Currently, this is the only method to change an Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.